Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another Sugar Box unboxing video for you all. So if you are interested in knowing what all we have in May Sugar Box, then please keep on watching. So this time we received our May Sugar Box in May month itself. If you have watched my previous Sugar Box, you would know that they usually ship my Sugar Box pretty late and I always get it in the next month. But this time around we actually got it in May itself, but I was not able to film this video for some reason, so I couldn't film it. So I'm filming it today, which is 2nd of June. But that's okay. I'm really happy and I really appreciate that they have shipped my product on time, and I hope they continue to do so. Thank you so much, Sugar Box. If you're watching, I really appreciate that. So let's start with the unboxing now. So this is how we receive our Sugar Box this time around. We also have this ribbon, which is very cute. I'm definitely gonna keep it because I love gifting gifts to people, and such things come really handy. So let's open this and see what all we have in May Sugar Box. So the first thing I see here is this plastic in which we have this t-shirt. Obviously I can see it's definitely a t-shirt. Let's open it and see how actually it looks like. Okay, the material is definitely very soft and cool. It's not cheap at all, and this is how the t-shirt looks like. I love the print on it, and the size is almost perfect. Like, it's not too cropped, it's not too long, so I'm gonna wear it with jeans or anything you want. I'm sure the size is also perfect for me. I can definitely fit in this. So yeah, I'm really happy. I definitely love the material. It's so soft and it's not at all those cheap materials you get street side. So this is the first thing we have in Sugar Box this time. Now the second thing we have here is a table lamp, which looks something like this. I was really excited to see how it actually looks like. So I've already opened everything before, but I'm still gonna pretend as if I haven't opened any of this. So let's go and see how the lamp looks like. Okay, so I've got it in a white color, white and black. It looks something like this. It has this panda thing over here and the lamp is over here. So you just have to okay, we have a button over here, if you can see or not. I don't know if you can see this properly, but you just have to press the button and there we have it. We have this pretty light. See, it's actually not bad. Can you see? It's definitely a table lamp, but I'm sure you can use this for filming and photography purpose as well, because it's not that bad. I can totally feel the quality is really good, and even at night time, if you like to read books and you don't want to disturb the other person in your room, then you could definitely try this one out. So this comes with this charging cord, which over here we have it. So it comes with this charging cord and you have to just attach it with the adapter and you are good to go. So yeah, that was the second thing in this month's May Sugar Box. I love this one. It's so cute, isn't it? And it's very handy as well. So that's the next thing we have in here. And for treats, as usual, we have marshmallows this time as well. Thank you so much, Sugar Box, for sending these, because this is the only thing, like one of the things I don't get around where I live. So it's very useful for me because I get to eat this even if I don't get it around me or near me. So yeah, these are the marshmallows we have in this month's Sugar Box. Now the next thing I see here is this keychain thingy, which has this cutest unicorn. Yeah, that's unicorn for sure, and it has this thing, so you can just attach it with anything you want. It also has this cute little rainbow and the shell thing over here. So it's very nice. You can attach this to your car key or Activa key or wherever you want to, or if not, then you can even attach this to your bags or even your pouch or any case you wish to. It's gonna look very cute for sure. So this is the next thing we have in May Sugar Box. Now the next thing I see here is this scrunchie, which has this ribbon attached to it. So it's gonna look super cute when you apply it on your hair, and the material is kind of satin type, so that's also very cute. It's gonna look very aesthetic as well. If you like to shoot stuff for Instagram, you can definitely try this out. So this is the next thing we have in this one's sugar box. Now this next thing is very useful, and it's like I'm very happy to receive this as well. So we have the sunglasses or goggles or whatever you want to call it, and the quality of this one is, oh my god, it's too good. And this is how it looks like, and it has this thingy over here, and it's in silver and black color. I'm sure it's gonna look amazing, and in summertime we definitely need this. So yeah, that's how it looks on me. I'm sure it looks cool enough, and you can definitely wear this outside as well. It's not just one of those which you only can wear while shooting or photographing. This is a useful thing. Now the second last thing here is the sheet mask, which is from the brand V7. I haven't heard about this brand before, but it says it's V7 Deep Hydration, making skin youth light, and it has 7 vitamins essence, and that's how it looks like. I think it's Korean or Japanese brand, I'm not too sure because the instruction over here it's in that language only. But I'm sure a sheet mask, like you can never have enough sheet mask, and I'm very happy to receive this one in the sugar box, because I used to receive my sheet mask in Fabag as well. So yeah, I'm kind of very happy to receive this one. Now the last but not the least is this cutest thing I've ever come across. It's from the brand called Meek Time, if I'm not wrong, and yeah, I think that's the brand, and it's this mini straightener. I haven't tried this out, so I don't know how much this works on our hair, but I'm sure it's gonna work just fine. And let me give you a closer look. So this is how the straightener look like. Let's see the size. Like it's as little as the palm of my hand, and see, it's almost fitting in my palm, and it's in matte black color, and it has this cord attached to it. The best part is it comes with this case, so you can travel easily with this as well. I'm gonna try this out and see if this works or not. Yeah, if it works, I will definitely update you guys on my Instagram or somewhere, wherever I feel like I would post that. So yeah, that's the next and final thing we have in this month's sugar box. I think this is a star product for me for sure. If this works, then definitely this one is a star product, because it's very handy, and it also has this button over here, so I think you just have to press it down or press it up and it will start working. So yeah, it's very convenient because you can travel with this wherever you go, and it won't be a hassle at all. So yeah, that's a great thing to have. So that was all for today's video. I am very happy for the fact that they have shipped my product in time, and I received it in May itself, but due to personal reason I couldn't film it in May itself, and I'm filming it in June, but that's okay. I'm really happy with the product as usual. So yeah, wait for my next video wherein I will unbox more sugar boxes as well. And that was all for today's video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and do subscribe to my channel if you like watching my content, and like this video, share this with your friends and family. Wait for my next video. Until then, bye bye.